Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're showing you our 65 Chevrolet Chevelle 300 Deluxe. Nice, cool sleeper car because it's had an LS 6.2 LS engine added in it. Ton of receipts, books. Oh, they did new auto meter wiring. The car is just one heck of a driver. The paint on it's probably older because you can see some chips here and there. You know, a lot of these could be touched up. They added some stripes on them, and the paint quality I'd say is just an average job. You know, there's some dust in it, and you can see you know, good wet sand might really make this car stand out. But see, here's what I'm talking about. Got a chip here, got a little sag. So not a perfect paint job, but a good 10-footer. The rest of the car definitely overshadows, I guess it's American Auto Wire is what the wiring setup for the engine is. Interior needs nothing. Tilt wheel, 1,083 miles since the motor was put in. There they put a tack in the center. It's got got Summit gauges. B&M shifter, has the classic car stereo in it. Like I said, the interior is I would say pretty close to perfect. It's had a new headliner, got speakers in the rear. They even put 3-point seat belts in it. So floor mats, custom bucket seats. So just really cool car. Got the rally wheels on it. Like I said, there's what I'm talking about. Trunk's been detailed. You've seen the pictures there. Got nice sounding dual exhaust, which I'll have a video of that also. Really don't see any rust issues anywhere. We'll have pictures also of underneath so you can see. Like I said, the biggest thing is some chips on it here and there, and they can all be touched up and wet sanded. I just got the car in, so I have not had time to do it yet. So we'll probably get it in, touch it up, and wet sand it. But car is probably one of the coolest 65 Chevelles you'll find, especially for this price range. Nice affordable LS conversion car, and it was done right. So any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.